Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open your Mercedes-Benz gas tank cover. So you can see I'm sitting in my Mercedes-Benz car. So in order to open the gas tank, I will just open my door here. And you need to come to the gas tank cap here. And what you need to do is you just need to press it. So just press it once and this cover opens. And then you just need to rotate this lid here. So I'm going to rotate and then the fuel tank is open. Once the fuel is filled, just place this lid once again and then rotate it. And then it will make a sound of click. This means it's closed, and then you can just close the cover by just pressing it once again, right? So to open, just press it and it's going to open, and to close, just press and it's going to close. Now what happens when your car is locked? So right now my car is unlocked. So in the unlocked state, only you can open the gas tank cover. If your car is closed, then let's see what happens. So let me just close the car. So my car is locked, and now I'm going to try to open the tank, and you can see nothing happens. So in order to open the gas tank lid, your car must be unlocked. Okay, so let me unlock the car. And once the car is unlocked, I can press it again and I can open the cover, right? So in order to open the gas tank lid, your car must be unlocked. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.